Welcome to Django Interview Questions, your comprehensive guide to mastering Python's most popular web framework. Django is a high-level Python web framework that encourages rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. In today's competitive tech landscape, understanding Django fundamentals is crucial for backend developers. This presentation covers the core concepts you need to excel in Django interviews, including models and object relational mapping for database interactions, views and URL routing for request handling, templates for dynamic HTML generation, and authentication for user management and security. Each topic is essential for building robust web applications and will be explored with practical examples and best practices. Django's object relational mapping, or ORM, is the bridge between Python objects and database tables. The ORM maps Python classes to database tables, eliminating the need to write raw SQL queries. Each model class represents a database table, while individual objects represent table rows. This abstraction provides database-agnostic operations, meaning you can switch between PostgreSQL, MySQL, SQLite, and other databases without changing your code. The ORM automatically generates database schemas from your model definitions. In our example, we define an article model with title, content, and created it fields. The char field specifies a character field with maximum length, text field handles longer text content, and date-time field with auto now add true automatically sets the timestamp when records are created. The _STR method defines how the model appears when printed, returning the article's title for easy identification. Django's URL dispatcher is the routing system that connects web requests to the appropriate view functions. URL patterns are defined in urls.py files and map specific URL paths to view functions that handle the request logic. The system supports dynamic URL parameters using path converters like int for integers, str for strings, and slug for URL-friendly text. Named URLs enable reverse lookup, allowing you to reference URLs by name rather than hard-coded paths. In our example, we define URL patterns that capture dynamic segments. The articles /int:/year/ pattern captures a year as an integer parameter, while blog/slug:/slug/ captures a slug parameter. These parameters are automatically passed to the corresponding view functions, enabling dynamic content based on URL segments. This flexible routing system makes Django applications maintainable and SEO-friendly. Django templates provide a powerful system for generating dynamic HTML while maintaining clean separation between presentation and business logic. Templates use a simple syntax with double curly braces for variables and curly brace %signs for template tags. Template inheritance allows you to create base templates that child templates can extend, promoting code reusability and consistent design. Variables are rendered using double curly braces, automatically escaping HTML content for security. Template tags provide control flow capabilities like loops and conditionals. Filters allow you to format and manipulate data during rendering. The template system includes built-in protection against cross-site scripting attacks by automatically escaping potentially dangerous content. Our example shows basic template syntax with a title variable and a for loop iterating through items, demonstrating how templates blend static HTML with dynamic content. Django Forms provide a robust system for handling HTML form creation, validation, and security. Forms automatically generate HTML form elements, handle form validation, and provide built-in cross-site request forgery protection. The framework includes various field types like char field for text input, email field for email validation, and custom widgets for specialized input controls. Model forms automatically create forms based on your model definitions, reducing code duplication. Form validation happens both client-side and server-side, ensuring data integrity. Django Forms handle common security concerns automatically, including CSRF token generation and validation. In our contact form example, we define fields for name, email, and message. The char field specifies maximum length constraints. Email field provides automatic email format validation, and the Textaria widget creates a multi-line text input. This declarative approach makes form handling both secure and maintainable. Django's built-in authentication system provides comprehensive user management capabilities out of the box. The system includes user, group, and permission models for managing access control. Session-based authentication maintains user state across requests, while secure password hashing protects user credentials using industry-standard algorithms. The framework provides login and logout functionality, password reset capabilities, and user registration workflows. Built-in decorators like login required protect views from unauthorized access. The authentication system integrates seamlessly with Django's admin interface and can be extended for custom requirements. Our example demonstrates the login required decorator, which automatically redirects unauthenticated users to the login page before allowing access to protected views. This decorator approach makes securing your application straightforward and consistent throughout your codebase. Django Admin is a ready-to-use administrative interface that automatically generates forms for your models. This powerful feature provides create, read, update, and delete operations without writing additional code. The admin interface includes user and permission management, allowing you to control who can access what data. You can customize list views with specific fields, add search functionality, and implement filtering options for better data management. The admin interface supports bulk operations, making it efficient for managing large datasets. Registration is simple using decorators or admin.site.register calls. In our example, we register the article model with articleAdmin class, customizing the display to show title, and created it fields in the list view. This provides administrators with an intuitive interface for content management without requiring separate administrative tools. Django's testing framework builds upon Python's Unitest module, providing specialized tools for web application testing. The framework creates isolated test databases for each test run, ensuring tests don't interfere with production data. Django includes a test client that simulates HTTP requests, allowing you to test views, forms, and user interactions programmatically. Fixtures provide consistent test data setup, while Django-specific assertion methods validate web application behavior. The testing framework supports unit tests, integration tests, and functional tests. Test isolation ensures reliable and repeatable test results. Our example shows a basic test case inheriting from test case, testing the string representation method of an article model. The test creates an article instance with a test title and asserts that the string method returns the expected value. This demonstrates how Django tests validate both model behavior and business logic. Deploying Django applications to production requires careful consideration of hosting options and configuration. Platform-as-a-service solutions like Heroku, Railway, and Render provide managed hosting with automatic scaling and maintenance. Virtual private servers with reverse proxies like Nginx offer more control over the server environment. Container deployment using Docker provides consistent environments across development and production. Static file serving through content delivery networks improves performance and reduces server load. Database configuration must be optimized for production workloads with proper connection pooling and backup strategies. Our production settings example shows essential security configurations. Debug mode must be set to false for production, while ALLOWEDHOSDS specifies which domains can serve your application. Security headers like Secure SSL Redirect force HTTPS connections. Secure Browser XSS Filter enables browser XSS protection. And CSRF Cookie Secure ensures CSRF tokens are only sent over secure connections. Django includes comprehensive security features that protect against common web vulnerabilities. Built-in cross-site request forgery protection prevents unauthorized actions on behalf of authenticated users. The ORM provides automatic SQL injection prevention through parameterized queries. Template auto-escaping protects against cross-site scripting attacks by automatically escaping user input. Clickjacking protection prevents your site from being embedded in malicious frames. Secure password hashing uses strong algorithms like PBKDF2 and bcrypt. Django's security middleware provides additional protection layers, including security headers and HTTPS enforcement. The middleware stack includes security middleware for HTTPS redirection and security headers, CSRF view middleware for CSRF protection, and X-frame options middleware for clickjacking prevention. These security measures work together to create a robust defense against common web application attacks, making Django applications secure by default. Optimizing Django applications requires understanding database query patterns and ORM behavior. The select related method efficiently loads related objects in a single query for foreign key relationships, while prefetch related optimizes many-to-many and reverse foreign key queries. Database indexing on frequently queried fields dramatically improves performance. The N+1 query problem occurs when loops trigger additional database queries for each iteration. Raw SQL can be used for complex queries that are difficult to express through the ORM. Our optimization example demonstrates the difference between inefficient and optimized code. The first approach creates separate database queries for each article's author, resulting in N+1 queries. The optimized version uses select related to fetch articles and their authors in a single database query, significantly reducing database load and improving response times. This comprehensive overview covered Django's fundamental concepts essential for technical interviews. Models and ORM provide the foundation for database interactions, while views and URLs handle request routing and response generation. Templates enable dynamic HTML generation with security built in, and authentication manages user access and security. The admin interface provides ready-to-use administrative capabilities, while the testing framework ensures code quality and reliability. Understanding deployment considerations and security best practices demonstrates production readiness. Performance optimization techniques show advanced Django knowledge. To succeed in Django interviews, practice coding examples live, understand ORM query optimization patterns, know security best practices by heart, explain the model view template architecture clearly, and discuss real-world applications of these concepts. Remember that Django follows the principle of convention over configuration, making development faster while maintaining security and scalability. You're now prepared to confidently tackle Django interview questions and demonstrate your expertise in Python web development.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.